it. I mean, I'm pretty bright. All right, hey, what's up, guys? We are getting ready to embark on another trip. We are heading to Alabama. My sister is getting married, and I am so excited to go. John is not so excited because, you know, we got to go to Alabama, and it's super hot and super humid. But I am ready to go. It is about 10 o'clock here in Arizona. We are catching the red eye. Our flight does not leave till pretty much midnight, but we will get there, and then you guys will get to see all the sights, all of the things. We'll let you know how smooth we get through security and just kind of the journey that we're taking. This might be one video, this might be a couple videos, but regardless, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to like it and share. See you guys soon. We made it through security, and John had to have a stop for a little bit because, you know, he decided to pack some things in his bag, and they flagged us.
I'll show you guys what it was later.
Yeah, but we are headed now to our gate, and then sit for a little bit, and then board the plane. And I'm gonna get some sleep on the plane because that's my plan, is to sleep. We'll see how much happens. What are you gonna sleep?
Maybe. Watch a couple shows, TVs, movie. We'll see.
I just hope it's not super cold. That's all I hope. That's all I hope. We made it on our flight, waiting for everybody to board, and then we will be heading into the air and getting to Atlanta because we do have a connecting flight. So fingers crossed we make our connecting flight. That always is an issue every single time we come to an airport. But any words to say, John? No words?
Tired.
My parents are behind us on this trip. We made it to Montgomery, as you can tell. But now we're gonna head to go get our rental vehicle, and we might go see my sister. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. Apparently John has plans. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But I will tell you, it is humid, it is bright, and it is still morning time, and my brain still thinks it's Tuesday, and it's not. It's definitely Wednesday at this point. But join us for our trip, and we'll see what happens.
Hey everybody, we made it to our Airbnb. It's a nice little farmhouse. They have some chickens. Got some wild chickens over there. A tree house. Nice, beautiful property. It's raining here in Alabama. We got a nice swimming pool.
I will tell you, this place is so beautiful. It's definitely very homey and kind of just like a nice thing to do instead of going to a hotel. The guy and his wife are very, very friendly. Set it up perfect. There's a kitchen for us. There's plenty of bed space. There's the bathroom fully loaded, and they have a washer and dryer here, ironing board, all of those things. There's chickens on the property. There's a tree house. There's a pool. Like, it is so, so pretty. I know that John took some shots of this place, so you guys will definitely have to check it out. But I'm very happy with where we're at. I'm happy that they let us check in early because I am just ready to get cleaned up, ready to take on my Wednesday finally. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed these clips of our place that we're staying at. all them chickens.
The rain has stopped.
Nice.
We're gonna enjoy a little bit of, well, it's sprinkling a little bit.
Still
but
sprinkling
there's no
outside.
thunder. So enjoying a little glass of bourbon. That's what held me up at TSA.
And I'm enjoying the view of the chickens.
And we're gonna enjoy the pool. It's a saltwater pool. So what held me up at TSA was Aged and Or makes this travel set. It's 4 bottles or 3 ounces each, and they're meant so that you can put whatever favorite beverage you want in there. For me, it's bourbon. So when I went through the X-ray machine, it was flagged, but they just had to test to make sure it was within their parameters and
Not a weird liquid.
yeah, not a weird liquid. So they did some testing on it, and then that was good to go. So I'll put up a link. I'll put it right here on the side. That way you guys can take a look at it. It's a real cool travel set, and it's TSA approved.
Cat.
A sunny day in Alabama. The sun just came out. It was raining pretty heavily earlier, but now it's sunny, and we're gonna go grab something to eat.
Yep, we're
Here
gonna
in a
get
little
some
bit.
barbecue tonight. We'll probably have barbecue twice because there's barbecue at the wedding. But gotta get some food. But I will say, guys, this place is so beautiful and has really cool like sights to see around here. And the chickens are super cute.
Chinese pigs.
You.
What are their names?
That one is Noah.
No.
That one right there is Bacon.
Bacon.
That one is Moses. That's Onyx, and that's Rachel.
Wow. And they're Chinese?
They are Chinese. They're actually critically endangered.
Wow. Here we are at Jim and Nick's Barbecue. We'll let you guys know how it is. It's supposed to be pretty good barbecue. When you're in the South, you gotta do some barbecue.
All right. So the verdict is, John, was the food good? It was good. I thought it was really good. I thought it was super good. I'm really full. I had the chicken. John also had the chicken with the collard greens and mac and cheese. And then he got French fries.
Starting off for morning, the jog. In this Alabama, gorgeous weather. We're from Arizona, definitely not used to this, 90-80% humidity.
It's the worst. It was a good run, though. Really pretty run. Also, we went on our run, and the deal was that if we run, we would get into the pool. But first, you got to get some coffee. And let me tell you, making coffee this morning was like kind of a venture. The first cup that we brewed was not a cup. We did it in the carafe, and it would be an insult to even say that it looked like iced tea. But I brewed hot water this morning. So John decided to use the K-cups that they had, and it came out pretty good. So enjoying some coffee, getting ready to get into the pool. Say hi, John. But so far this place has been super nice. It's been a good trip. We'll probably grab some lunch after this. Well, we'll gotta get ready first and then grab some lunch, go into town, see what we can get done. We do have to pick up a few things for the wedding, and then come back, get ready, because it's rehearsal night tonight, and I'm excited. It's an exciting time. We slept really good last night. The bed's super comfortable. So it's been a good time here. Good times.
Dymon's getting ready, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the property. We're gonna go grab some lunch. We haven't had anything to eat yet. But first, This is a real nice property. If you're ever in the area of Montgomery, Alabama, it's about 30 minutes south. It costs $145 average each night. It's on 2 acres. The main house of the owner is that one that you see right in front. This one over here is where Dymon and I are staying. If you have kids, there's a tree house with a slide. There's chickens around the property. Right over there. We give it a 5 out of 5, and we highly recommend that you stay here at this Airbnb if you're ever in the area of Montgomery, Alabama.
All right, y'all, so we're cleaned up, ready to go. We're gonna go and grab some lunch, preferably soup and salad. I'm thinking John might grab a sandwich because he doesn't eat salads often. And then we have a few things that I've been tasked with to go take care of, so I'm gonna go get some melon because the bride wants melon, so we're gonna get melon. And then we'll see where the day leads us. We're probably gonna go check out some shops, maybe meet up with my sister, maybe meet up with my parents. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I will say I'm wearing my hair straight today because this humidity is a little bit too much. So we're here at Sweet Creek Farm Market. It's a little market, farmer's market, has some fresh produce. Apparently they have a cafe and they have a coffee shop. So we're gonna go and check it out. Join us. I got a cold brew, got my dad some kettle corn, John got some coffee. This is a really
Caramel
cool
macchiato.
It's a really cool place, and the coffee's delicious. We definitely are going to be coming back and checking more of it out, but we got to go get some lunch. So we just went and got some Jason's Deli. It was super good. I got a salad and John got a sandwich. We both really enjoyed it. We met up with my parents for lunch and my sister as well. So now we're gonna go grab some melon, get a few things, and then probably head back to our place so I can curl my hair because we do have rehearsals tonight and also the rehearsal dinner. So come along with us. It's been quite the ride, quite the drive, because we are staying at a place that is like 35 minutes outside of Montgomery. But I will say it's worth the drive because the place we're staying, I love it. I can't say that enough. It's been a nice place. Guys, we are here at the wedding venue for my sister. It is super pretty. They're getting stuff ready right now, so we're not even gonna bug them. But behind me there's a really pretty pond, a lot of greenery because it is Alabama. It is very green here, but exciting stuff going on tonight. I really like this place. It's breathtaking beautiful here. I cannot wait to see tomorrow and everything just unravel and just a time of celebration. But for now, enjoy the all of the shots that we have of this place.
Okay, where are we at?
We are headed now to a place called D Road Cafe. They actually got it rented out for the night, which is super cool for this rehearsal dinner. Y'all, the venue was super pretty. Gonna get some food, German food tonight, I guess. That's what's on the menu, so we'll see how good it is. But we are in downtown Montgomery now, so Really cool, different vibe down here. We've been down here before for a graduation, so we're excited to see everything that's going on tonight here.
There's lots of history in this town of Montgomery. It was home to Rosa Parks and Martin Luther King.
Martin Luther King. So Martin Luther King's church that he actually used to attend is here as well. But this is where a riot happened, and so they have a landmark now of it all. So check it out. Alright guys, so we are here at the wedding and it was a beautiful ceremony. They actually had an unplugged ceremony, so that means nobody could have their phones out, nobody could be taking pictures other than the people that they paid for. But my sister looks so stunning. David looks great today, and everything just came together. We're now at the reception and everybody's having a good time. The speeches were awesome. And the food was great. I feel full. And so we're just gonna celebrate the rest of the night and show a little bit of things going on and things that they have here. But like I said, it was beautiful and it is super nice outside this evening. Alright, so we found our place back here at the Sweet Creek, a cafe. We wanted to pick up some coffee before we start our day, but then we're gonna go eat at this like Mongolian grill place. I'm not really sure what's going on. All I know is my sister texted us and said meet us for lunch, and so that's what we're doing. But you got to see the goats that they have here on the property, and also the chickens. Many chickens out here. But last night was beautiful. After the party, after the whole reception, we went home, we fell asleep, we passed out, we were tired. But yeah, so today we're kind of just taking it easy. We'll probably do some laundry, get things packed up, because tomorrow we head back to Arizona and just get ready to get on a plane. Long plane ride home. But I'm excited because we get to see our dogs. But other than that, guys, follow along with us, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share it to as many people as you can as possible, and we appreciate all the support that you guys bring to us. See you guys soon. Bye.